With the 12-inch fixture, your kit will include one undercabinet light, one power cord, one linking cord, two medium command strips, two small command strips, two screws, two screw covers, and two cord clips. With the 24-inch fixture, your kit will include one undercabinet light, one power cord, one linking cord, three medium command strips, two small command strips, two screws, two screw covers, and two cord clips. Mount the light within 5 feet of an electrical outlet. Clean surface with rubbing alcohol. For the 12-inch fixture, remove the red liners on two medium command strips and press onto the back of the fixture. For the 24-inch fixture, remove the red liners on three medium command strips and press onto the back of the fixture. Remove the red liner on two small command strips and press onto the two cord clips. Remove the black liners. Press the fixture to the surface for 30 seconds. Remove the black liners. Press the cord clips to the surface for 30 seconds. Push in the two screw covers at each end of the fixture. For permanent installation, you can screw the fixture into the surface instead of using command strips. You can also link fixtures together and power them through one power cord. Use the cord clip to manage the linking cord. Insert power cord and plug into an outlet. Press the first button to turn on and off and hold to dim. Press the second button to choose from three white light color temperatures, 3000 K, 4000 K, and 5000 K. 5 colors: red, green, blue, pink, and orange. And auto-rotating colors. Download the Good Earth Lighting app. In the app, click Add Device. Click Undercabinet. Enter Wi-Fi info for your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Hold the button labeled Wi-Fi until light blinks. Click Next. Wait for device to connect. Once it is connected, click Done. Choose a white light color and brightness level. Choose from millions of colors. Choose a scene. Schedule the lights. You can also group lights. Click Create Group. Add devices. Enter the group name. Stretch the medium strip slowly against the surface at least 12 inches to release. Stretch the small strips slowly against the surface at least 6 inches to release.